much. Good afternoon to you. Not a bad day today weather-wise out there. In fact, today could be one of the better days of this week as things are set to turn pretty stormy around the middle part of the week. There should be plenty of dry weather around through the afternoon with a good deal of sunshine around through the afternoon period. Again, top temperatures 23 degrees. Then it goes downhill on Wednesday. Potential of some very stormy weather around. The first named storm of the season, Storm Agnes, named by the Met Office. Here it is. During Tuesday night into Wednesday, hurtling across the Atlantic, deepening rapidly as it approaches Ireland, but it will start to weaken as it moves across our shores. But still the potential of some disruption, gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour on Irish sea coast, potentially a little bit higher than later in the day, some strong winds across Scotland. Accompanying the wind, heavy rain. Gales will be widespread, potential for disruption in the north and the west, so stay tuned to the forecast for that. Thereafter, Thursday, Friday into the start of the weekend, apart from a few showers around, it looks like higher pressure could bring increasing amounts of sunshine, so calming down towards the end of the week. Jane.
Hello there, good afternoon to you. It does look to be rather settled through this afternoon. There'll be decent sunny spells around and it will feel warm. With a cold front working its way through tomorrow, some potentially heavy and thundery showers tomorrow morning. And this deepening area of low pressure, named Storm Agnes, will bring windy conditions for us overnight on Wednesday.
Hello again and a very good evening to you. Well, whatever the weather, it looks like this little one is certainly preferred. Look at that little tongue there. We have got some showers around tomorrow morning, but the day is going to improve, some sunshine heading our way. Still quite nice and warm in that sunshine. And it's going to be a bit breezier tomorrow, but the main winds we're talking about are into Wednesday, certainly later on in the day. And that is, of course, due to Storm Agnes, which is moving in. And as we go into the evening, staying fairly nice, bit of sunshine to end the day, and most of us should avoid any of these showers. So as we head on into Wednesday, later on in the afternoon into the evening, that's when the winds will probably be strongest. And then Thursday's not looking too bad, but we have got that rain overnight into Friday. Like I said, we'll let you know. That's it for now. See you later on. Cheerio.
It's been a much sunnier day today across the UK, but it's been quite blustery across northern areas of the country. We do have, though, some even stronger winds on the way for the middle part of the week. More on that in just a moment. Now, at the moment, Agnes is this area of cloud, pretty puny low pressure. It's got winds of about 30 miles an hour. But this area of low pressure is going to be passing underneath a very powerful 140 mile an hour jet stream, the trough causing explosive deepening with the pressure dropping more than 24 millibars in the space of 24 hours. This is an example of a weather bomb. At its peak strength, it could have winds of 100 mile an hour gusts. However, that peak will be a long way away from land. And actually, as it starts moving into the UK, it'll begin to weaken as it moves away from the trough in the jet stream. How quickly that weakening process takes place will determine the exact strength of the winds. But I think the strongest winds will be working through Irish sea coast, and it's there where we're most likely to see the risk of some disruption. Well, we could see gusts stronger than that, 70, even 80 odd miles an hour. So potentially damaging, disruptive gusts of wind from Storm Agnes as we go through Wednesday. Now, it'll still be pretty blustery on Thursday, still some rain and showers left over, those winds taking a while to calm down. And then we'll probably see another batch of heavy showers working across the UK as we go through Friday.
Hello. Well, this week's looking a little bit unsettled, particularly through Wednesday. But out there today, it has been lovely. We've had a good deal of sunshine around. It's been dry. It's been warm. We've been in a mild southwesterly airflow. We most certainly held on to a good deal of sunshine right through the course of this afternoon. But something a bit more changeable tomorrow morning. We are expecting some showers, potentially heavy and thundery, but an improving picture through the afternoon. It will turn brighter with some sunshines. Then on Wednesday, it will turn increasingly cloudy through the day. A few showers later on in the evening. And as I mentioned, windy overnight, gusts of around 40, 45 miles per hour. Riz.
I like the look of those sun. Thank you, Kat.
Hello there. It was a fine day today. Many places stayed dry, good deal of sunshine around. However, as we move deeper into this week, things will start to turn more unsettled. And by midweek, we could see a stormy spell of weather with rain and gales.
Storm Agnes, when's it going to hit? How bad is it going to get?
It's going to hit Wednesday. And we're definitely going to have some impacts. Yeah. It's not necessarily, I don't want to say it's not going to be a hurricane. People in my position have been caught out by that before, but it's definitely going to be wide-reaching. So we are definitely in for a fairly lively week of weather. It's exactly what you need on a Monday, isn't it, to hear about that. Staying unsettled, very windy at times, as we've been hearing, but looking hopefully a little bit more settled towards the weekend. So we are, of course, watching this like a hawk. Alex is going to be here tomorrow evening with more details on that. But it's really important to stay up to date with the latest warnings because they are prone to move around.
All right, Becky, thank you.